Hey friends, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sum a row so that we get a running total over here in this specific box. Now, it's a fairly simple formula, but there's numerous ways of using this. So let me show you a couple of really easy ways to get this done. As you can see, I have this really simple spreadsheet for some sales and some salespeople. I've got a running total going down here, which was a column sum, but now I want to actually have a running total over in this area. In fact, let's just put total here. And that way we're able to get a running total for our different salespeople, not just for the month, but for the entire year. So let's go ahead and put our formula in here. So the first way we can do this when we have our box selected is we can come up here and we can click on Insert, and then we can come down and click on Function. And actually, as I hover over it, we'll get some more options. What we're looking for is the sum option. This is usually one of the quick selects that are in the upper portion here. I'm going to click on this. As you can see, it pops in equals, the word sum, and some brackets. So this is my favorite way of doing this. I'm going to click on the first box. I'm going to hold, and then I'm going to drag over until I have all of the cells selected that I want to be summed. I'm then going to release my trackpad or mouse, and as you can see, we now have all of those cells in that row that are going to be added up. So again, the formula is equals, the word sum, parentheses, and then all the cells that you want entered to add up and total. And again, you can make this a shortcut by putting the colon in between the first and last cell. I'm then going to hit the enter key, and as you can see, it automatically will add up right here. Now again, this is summing to 300 because I have some negative numbers here in these rows. Now we can go ahead and copy and paste, or again, I can just come down here. Let me show you the second way I do this. I'm just actually going to type this in, and as I hit the equals button, actually the intuitive nature of the software is really great. It is going to give you some options for what it thinks you want. And look at that. That's exactly what we want, which is column B and then row 3 through D3, D, and then line 3 here. That's exactly what we want. I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, it has entered that formula. So really cool. Again, super simple once you know how to do it. Hopefully that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, subscribe. We're making a ton of these little Google Sheet tutorials to help make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.